And if your sacrifice is a meal offering made in a deep pot, it should be made of fine flour with oil. Thus you should bring the meal offering which shall be made from these types to Yah, and he shall bring it to the Kohen, and he shall bring it close to the altar. And the Kohen shall lift out from the meal offering its remainder, and cause it to go up in smoke on the altar. It is a fine offering with a pleasant fragrance to Yah. And what remains of the meal offering shall belong to Aaron and his descendants. Leviticus 2, 7-10. Now, at the same time, I use chicken for illustration purposes. I'm not sure what type of meat the Most High used. The New Testament is opposite Yah, and Yah is not in it. Period. Shalom.